J.
Microwave. I'm coming straight in right off the trap. They wouldn't expect me to do this shit like this. Hit the booth and hit the trap like it really won't shit. I'm at the condo posted right now serving shit. J's in the crib, get it in and out the door. I get my flow clean right now by Jay. I ain't touching no broom or touching no mop. I'm be honest with you, I ain't touched shit in a couple years. I'm still getting it out the door. I push everything around the city, that's for sure. 4x4, couple trucks right now. Everyone lined up, they all pay for show. The engine in the last one, I just put it on the road. I just crashed the last one for sure. Now I'm about to buy 4 more. Money put up like a motherfucker, I'm turned up. But I'm in the hood whipping, in the hood chopping, trying to get this shit back. A real dope boy, I make it all off crack. Real dope boy, I'm in the hood getting this shit for sure. No, for sure. Lit right now, bring your ass on. I came straight in, straight from the trap. I try to tell everybody I can really rap. Give a fuck about how they feel about me. I been getting money stuffed under my white tee. Couple dope in my bosses right now. Couple things going on in my phone. Couple things going wrong at my home. I give a fuck about it, long as my phone ring. Microwave this for sure. Microwave that for real.